need to be highlighting myself. Somebody else didn't fill this out for me. I actually tell the story of how my business works and why I'm present in my business. It's different for everyone, but it should always be keyword rich. If you focus on your passion inside your business, you will end up with people who are actually, as a human, reading this too, and they're engaged with you. Hey, I saw in your summary that, for Tabitha, you're trying to save kids from getting lost on the bus. Right? Giving them a reason to engage with commonality is really, really important. Okay, so does anybody have any questions about any of the stuff that I covered here and why your profile should be maximized?
I just have a quick question. So for industry, can you create, so for mine, I'm getting ready to change mine, look like student verification, education, and technology. Would that be, do you have to choose what they have listed, or can you just make lean in on some things that might be your own?
So categorically, you have to choose I would choose what's listed. That way you can get a comparative analysis about how other people with the same industry are doing on the platform. Remember, the SSI score is the thing I started with.
Right, okay.
Now, again, the score doesn't matter as much, but indicators of people that are engaged on the platform is associated with that SSI score. The true value of that SSI score is looking at it today and it's 40 and getting it to 70 or getting it to 50 or getting it to 60. Like, that's what you want to see. That way, if you're doing better or worse on the platform compared to your peers.
Okay.
Mark, for you, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Are you accessing the SSI, or you're able to access this SSI page because you're on premium?
No.